So this all-in-one jump starter, tire compressor, power bank, flashlight, just all-in-one emergency device. This thing is something that you're going to want for everyone that drives in your family, and I'm going to show you why. So let me tell you all about this. It comes in this nice carry case. I'm going to show you how it comes. So it has this nice carry case, very easy to transport, keep everything together, fits nicely in a large glove compartment or under a seat, depending on the size of your vehicle. I have a Toyota Tundra right here, so it fits really nicely in either our glove compartment or we have a large center console. So let me show you what it comes with. So over here you have the device, and then on this side you have the accessories. So you have the jumper cables, which I'll show you how to use in a little bit. You have the charging cord. It's a USB to USB-C connector. You have a tubeless tire repair kit. How neat is that? And then you have this kit, which has the pins for balls, bicycles, motorcycles, and different types of things that you need to put air in. And then of course you have your user manual. So let me go ahead and put all this back in, and let me just start off by showing you the device itself and how it works. This is just one of those things that you absolutely will not want to leave the house without. This device the nice thing about this is that it's a fast tire compressor. You don't have to wait forever. It's very powerful, very strong power bank, and it can power any gasoline or diesel engine. So you don't have to worry about being concerned about it not being able to jump your car. This one is the one that we keep around in our Toyota Tundra, which is a V8. So it's a big engine, but it's very powerful. So over here, this is where you have your USB. You have two USB out and a USB in, USB-C in port. This is right here is where you plug in the jumper cables. Nice thing about this, it has a removable flashlight. All you have to do is press this button. You can use the flashlight with it inside connected, but it's magnetic. You can take it out and use it as a flashlight. Hit this power button. There it's on. I don't know if you can see that it's on. There it's on a strobe setting, a red strobe setting. It's kind of bright out here. SOS. And then it's back to regular on. So I just hold it down and take it back, and then it goes off. So you can just pop it in, and you can still use it inside the device as well. So if you're just working and you want to, it's nighttime, you're stuck on the side of the road, you could just have this showing lighting up the area so that you can see what you're doing. So that's a nice feature. And then on the back, the tire compressor cable is built in. All you have to do, it just winds around like this. And the air compressor, it's 160 psi, so very strong. And this is it. It's already connected. So what's nice, you don't have to have extra cables to attach. The only thing you really have to attach is for jump starting. And then you have this. I'm going to put air in the tire, so you're going to see how it works in action, because I don't really need to jump start the battery, so I can't demonstrate that at this time. But that's how it works. And I love the fact that this just wraps around here and keeps everything neatly arranged. So that's it, like that. Very easy. So I'm going to go ahead and turn this on. So this is the power button right here. And this shows that it's fully charged. I went ahead and charged this before I started this video. This is the mode for the compressor. So it says PSI setting. And then that's like a motorcycle setting. It's a bicycle setting and ball. And then back to auto. A and then auto. So it goes through the different modes. And then units, PSI, that's BAR. That's KPA, PSI. So, and then this is how you set the desired amount. So up and down. So very easy to use. And then when you want to use it, you just turn that on. So in a short while, I'm going to demonstrate putting air in the tire. But one thing I did want to show you is this is how you attach the jumper cables. So it's very easy. You can see this is the connections right here. You have a flat side on this side, a round side over here. So it's very easy to know how to line it up. So right here, you just line it up like so and put it in. And see it's in. And then what you can see right here is that it's flashing red and green, so it's ready to go. So all you have to do is just put this in, just attach these to the nodes of your battery. And the nice thing about this is that you don't have to worry about asking strangers for help to help jump your car. If you're stuck on the side of the road or somewhere where you don't know anyone, you can be self-sufficient and not have to rely on other people to jump your car. So that's the nice thing about this. So very easy to use. So let me take this out. The nice thing about it also has these rubber pads at the bottom so that'll help keep it stabilized if you're like just want to set it down here so it doesn't slide everywhere. And same with on the ground if you're pumping your tire, it does have this to help stabilize the bottom. So that's a nice thing as well. So I'm going to go ahead and get this set up to put air in the tire, and then I'm going to show you how that works. Okay, so now I'm over here. I'm about to put air in my tire. This over here, I've already taken the cap off, so I'm just going to set this down and attach this. Very easy to do. So all you do, it's on. Let me turn it off real quick so you can see. So all you do is hold this down for like 3 seconds to turn it on. You press the pump, set it to the desired PSI. Ours is 44 for this tire. So it's set to 44. I have the car symbol. So right now it's at 36. It's telling me the current PSI. So it needs to go up to 44 and then it will auto shut off. So I'm gonna hold this down and there it's going. And it's at 43 now. So when it hits 44, it's gonna auto cut off. It's almost there. And now it's cut off. So it's completed everything. That way you don't have to worry about, nice thing about the auto cutoff feature is you don't have to worry about it overfilling and harming your tires, doing damage to your tires by overfilling it with air. So now it's done. Just like that. So easy to use. Anyone in your family can do this. If you have teenagers, anybody, it's just something like this is a great device for everyone in your family to have so that if they're on the run, if they're on the go, you can feel secure in them knowing that if they have an issue with their battery or their tire, they'll be equipped to handle it on their own. Unfortunately, things happen and it's nice to have devices like this to help you when needed. So I want to go ahead and thank the brand for gifting me with this device. I think it's a great emergency device that everyone in your family should have that drives, especially. Nice thing about this, I just thought about, I'm also a sports mom and we're a sports family, so our kids have events. If we're out and about and you need to charge your devices, plug it into this. You don't have to worry about having to go back to your car or running out of battery. This is a very powerful power bank. This is just something that could be used for so many uses, not just for emergencies, but just being out and about and needing to charge your devices. So amazing device, all-in-one safe emergency tool, and very pleased with this. So if you're looking for a good all-in-one emergency device for your vehicle, definitely recommend you checking this one out.